heading physical geography. First heading physical geography. Physical geography. Physical geography. Right? Okay, listen. So before discussing about physical geography, you should know the basic meaning of geography, because so before studying geography you don't know the meaning of geography, then there is meaningless. You should know about what is the exact meaning of geography, right? For example, what is your good name? Hmm? Wasabi. What is the meaning of wasabi? You don't know. She is saying ask my parents, sir, right? Please remember why I am telling this one. When you appear in the interview, the first question is what is your good name, and they'll ask the meaning of that name. And if you don't know the meaning of that name, it shows you don't have clarity about yourself. Then what? How will you answer the UPSC questions, right? So that is why when you are appearing in the interview, first you should know yourself, your name, meaning of your name, your family members, what they are doing, why they are doing, right? So where they are doing. So they will ask the family about your family members, right? You should know about yourself first. So in my classes, so whenever I discuss any topic, first I will give the meaning of that term. And without knowing that meaning, if you study about that topic, there is meaningless. First you should know the meaning of that term, right? First put that in meaning of geography. Meaning of geography. Okay, listen. So meaning of geography. Listen first, don't write. Right? Just listen here. Geography. Listen. So your geography derived from two terms. One is geo and second one is graphy. Listen first. So geo and graphy, there are two Greek words. One is geo, second one is graphy. What is the meaning of graphy? So there is graphy, graphics meaning description or sketching something, right? Graphics. So graphy meaning sketching something, right? Or explaining something. Geo meaning earth. Let's listen. So geo meaning earth. From now onwards, whenever you listen the term geo meaning it is earth, right? So there are how many planets in our solar system? How many planets are in our solar system? 8. Can you tell the names of 8 planets in the decreasing order as per their size? Largest planet is Jupiter. Second, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Right? 8 planets. We'll discuss later about solar system in detail. But just actually should have some basics about the subject. Right? So 8 planets are there. Among 8 planets, how many planets of our solar system are suitable for life? How many planets are suitable for life? Hmm? Hmm? Only Earth? Yes, very good. That is the reason we call Earth is the only habitable planet. What is the meaning of habitable? So which is suitable for living, which is suitable for residing, right? That's the reason we call habitable planet. If you get the question, how many planets are in our solar system? Answer is 8. How many habitable planets are there? Answer is 1. So what the students will make the mistake, just by listening the term planet, they will mark 8. But they're asking the question, how many are habitable planets? Answer is 1. So right, reading question is very important in the exam. So by listening the term planets, you should not mark the option 8, because that 8 will be there in the option. That 8 will be there in the option. They're asking how many habitable planets in our solar system. Answer is only 1. That is the Earth. Right? Please remember, Earth is the only habitable planet. Right? Geo meaning Earth. Listen first. So geo meaning Earth. Right? And Earth. Listen carefully. So Earth consists 3 important layers. One is central, one core, and middle one mantle, and the uppermost is crust. Just listen. So first innermost is core, second one is mantle, and third one is crust. Listen. So your earth consists 3 important layers, or the body of the earth is 3 layers: innermost core, middle one mantle, uppermost is crust. And that uppermost we call the surface of the earth, right? Surface of the earth. So your graphy meaning description about what? The surface of the earth. So description about the surface of the earth is known as geography. So geography meaning description about the surface of the earth, we call geography. Then study about earth's interior is known as zoology. Zoology meaning studying about earth's interior is known as zoology. Studying about surface is known as geography. For example, studying about his face, geography. Studying about your heart is zoology, right? Zoology meaning studying within the earth, we call zoology. Studying about the surface, we call geography. And this term geography first time coined by Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes, very famous Greek geographer, Greek scholar. That Eratosthenes coined the term geography, and that is the reason he is known as father of geography. If you get the question, who is the father of geography? Answer is Eratosthenes. Why is known as father of geography? So because he is the person who coined the term geography first time, right? He is the person who used the term geography first time. That is the reason we call the father of geography is Eratosthenes. Right on. Right on. The term geography is derived. The term geography is derived from two Greek words. The term geography is derived from two Greek words. Two Greek words. The term geography is derived from two Greek words. Greek words. They are geo meaning earth, geo meaning earth, and graphy meaning description. Geo meaning earth. They are geo meaning earth and graphy meaning description. Graphy meaning description. Description. Full stop. Description about, next point. Description about earth surface. Description about earth surface. Description about earth surface. Description about earth surface is known as geography. Description about earth's surface is known as geography. Description about earth's surface is known as geography. Okay, listen. Now the question arises, what is the need of studying the earth surface? Why we should study about the earth surface? Is anyone? The class should be interactive, then only will enjoy, right? Otherwise it's like a वचन ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम प्रवचन दे रहे हैं आप लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के सुन रहे, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. The class should be interactive so that you will enjoy. And please remember, so whenever you give the answer, don't bother about whether the question whether your answer is correct or wrong, right? Because you are learning here, right? And you can make mistakes also, will not give any punishment, right? We are learning. If you make mistakes also, don't take to the heart, right? Just try to give the answers, right? Yes, why we should study about the earth surface? Yes, what is the need of studying earth surface? Yes, brother. Why we have to study about the earth surface? Just give whatever you are feeling, just give the answer. Whether it's correct or wrong, don't worry about the correct or wrong. Just try to give the answer. Why we have to study about the earth? Yes, anyone? Why we have to study about the earth surface? Anyone? What is the need of studying earth surface? It's very good, because it's the only planet which is habitable to us. We should know about our earth surface. So for example, we should know about our family members because we are staying in that family. We should know at least about our family. So you should know about your district because you are staying in that district. You should know about your state because you are staying in that state. As we are living on earth surface, it is very much necessary to know about our earth, right? You are getting my point. So we have to study about earth surface, so because we are living on the earth, right? And one more important point, if you get the question, the earth surface is evenly distributed or unevenly distributed? Very simple question. Unevenly distributed. If you see here only, so if you come from Bawarchi, it is slope, right? So because almost again we are having ups, so ups and downs are there, right? The earth surface is not evenly distributed. In some places we are having hills, in some places we are having valleys, in some places we are having mountains, in other places we are having plateaus, in some places we are having the fertile soil, in some places we are having the like improper soil, right? Or not properly distributed soil, less fertile soil. In some places we are having evergreen forest, in some places we are having the deciduous forest, in some places we are having the deserts, in some places we are having the plains, because the earth surface is not evenly distributed. And to understand these physical features of the earth, we have to study about the earth.